Okay. Masantos, Kamusan, and Bagangalum. Good afternoon, volleyball fans, and you're still watching Ramon V. Guico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governors Cup. All right, so today we gear up for another exciting match. It's San Carlos City carrying a strong record 4-1 going up against Municipality of Sison with a record of 2-3, parehong coming of a tough loss yesterday. And kaya parehong teams ang gigil makabalik sa winning column. And expect natin ang exciting and thriller match today. Kaya naman, keep on watching and keep on supporting your favorite teams. And this is your courtside reporter, Nash Austria, basta Pangasinan, ang galing.
Yung pong bola, pakibalik po sa bag. Then, pakibalik po dito. Anim po yan, anim. Ladies and gentlemen, masantos siyang araw mga sikatay namin. Good afternoon. Welcome to Governor Ramon V. Gigo III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governors Cup right here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. It is match number 41 of Central Conference Women's Division, played between City of San Carlos and Municipality of Sison. The national referee for this match, our first referee, Sir Crisanto de Guzman. And our second referee, Sir Celson Santiago. Players, coaches, technical officials, best of luck and keep the ball flying.
Alright, so once again, masantos ang araw na imbag ang alam kinyayo amin. Good afternoon, volleyball fans. And you're still watching Governor Ramon V. Guico III, the Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026, the Governor's Cup. And we're here sa ating fourth match in our women's division. So, San Carlos City facing municipality of Sison. And what I mentioned earlier, both teams experienced tough loss yesterday. Kaya naman parehong team ang gigil sa panalo for our Sunday matchup. And to start the rally, Chinque Dispo with the push there. And it works for Andales. First point coming with that push. Leslie with a good pass. Benitez to Martin. A cross-court attack. And first point for Martin, a tall player coming from San Carlos City. At gusto nilang makabawi. At bumalik sa winning column. And team captain Carino from the opposite side, Doug. Prado now over the blockers. And a chance ball. Misreception there. Benitez, too much angle for Benitez. She wanted to go with a sharp angle there, but it went outside. And the team captain now on deck. Martin to the quick block. Antalas now. Rosario was there. Martin off speed and still alive. Oh! At nagkatinginan si Carino at Andales dyan. At hindi na na-over ang bolang yan. And sayang yan for Team Season. And that point will go to Team San Carlos City. And a service ace coming from Prado. Nice pass there and a drop. Martin diving. Set now to the middle. Mendoza with a drop again. At bibigyan ngayon si Prado. Delayed by the blockers. And standing spike there, Dispo. With the easy faking, Martin. And through the block. Point for Martin using the hands of the blockers. San Carlos now with a chance ball combination play. Well read. And another chance ball. What will they do? Benitez to the opposite left hand for Prado. And it works for him. And another chance ball here for Team San Carlos City. Martin, no good. And Andales giving away a free ball. Prado adjusting. Nice adjust there. And finding a corner, but Dispo was there. Set now to the opposite side. Deflected by the blockers. A 1-2 play. Carino was there. Mendoza. Delayed by the blockers. Long rally here and ending by the powerful hit of Martin. And Martin now at this early set really providing for her team. A misreception there. So another chance ball here. Benitez to the middle. Abinido with a push. No good. Nice block. And another chance ball once again to Martin. Another off the block using the hands of the blockers. At dahil dyan napatawag na ng first timeout ang Team Season.
Back to the action. Still serving jersey number 12, San Carlos.
And back at our live action, our last game sa ating women's division, San Carlos City facing Municipality of Season. And a service ace there for Prado. And a confusion dito para sa team captain ng Carino, letting that ball go. And another ace for Abenido. Back-to-back service ace right there for for Prado. And right now, papasok ngayon si Kawili para dumipensa. And an early shuffle for the coaching staff of Team Season. To the opposite. And point for Andales with a soft touch. At inutakan niya na lang ang mga depensa ng Team San Carlos City. Nice pass from Dispo. Martin now to the middle dog. Nice up there and a chance ball. Benitez to the right pin for Prado. Dug once again. 2 consecutive dig. At bibigyan ngayon si Abenido with a soft touch. At kung ano pa yung soft touch, yun pa yung pumuntos para dito sa koponan ng San Carlos City. They have the variation of attacks and it works for them. Nice setup for Mendoza. Dispo is ready and Prado down the line. Carino is there to pick it up. And a double violation itatawag ngayon para dito sa koponan ng Season. Bump set now. At hindi nagustuhan niya ng Kawili. So another chance ball here. Benito. Nice reflexes there coming from Carino. Benito to Dispo. With a down the line attack coming from Dispo. And Dispo now in front. Let's see if mama-maximize ba si Dispo dito. And Mendoza angling her attack. And the score now is a 4-12. A 8-point deficit here for Team Season. Benitez. Dispo again with the roll. At this time, hindi niya dinaan sa mabigat na palo. That attack is just a soft for Team San Carlos City. Kawili now, cross court. And lucky point for Kawili. Medyo nag-hesitate si Aquino at Dispo there kung sino ang kukuha ng bolang yan. Medyo mataas pa yung bolang yon, but a miscommunication there for Aquino and Dispo. Nice up from Aquino. Dispo once again rolling. At ngayon, scramble for Team Season. Benitez with a 1-2 play. Nasungkit pa ni Carino. Nice up there. Benitez now to Dispo. Combination play. And a single lady block coming from Carino. And she's all alone there with the play. Pero nabasa pa rin niya yung play na yon coming from Dispo. And she's ready for that. And this time, a problematic first ball turns to service ace. Mala dito kay Mendoza. And right now, tingnan natin kung ma-replicate niya ba ang ace na yan. Better reception there. Jinky with the left hand. And Benitez now babalikan si Jinky. Dispo with a drop. And Carino was there. Pero inutakan na lang ni Dispo ang bolang yan. Bump now to Carino, to the team captain. With the help of the net. Kawile. Sure serve. 1-2 play once again for Benitez. This time, she scores. Earlier, she did that 1-2 play pero nabasa sa noon. Pero this time, pupunto siya for her team. And her team is up now 7 points. And the service ace for Jinke Dispo. And Jinke Dispo is really giving her all dahil talo sila kahapon against Dagupan City. Martin pushes and it went outside. Benitez to the middle and Opales wala nang nagawa dyan sa bolang yan. That was too strong for her. Heavy serve from Benitez and De La Rosa. Too strong for her. And a timeout now for Team Season. Time to regroup for Season. Lalabas ba kayo? Mag-order na lang. Mag-order na lang. Wow, 80 pesos naman. Kasi naman po sa ayan dyan. Natin nila pa na. And back to the ball game. Ayan, sa mga kaka-tune in lang po ng ating live, you're watching Governor Ramon V. Guico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governors Cup. Yan, happy lunch po or good afternoon pala sa ating viewers online. Tapos na pala ang ating lunchtime at hindi na natin, hindi ko na naramdaman dito sa ating venue dahil sa magandang bakbakan dito.
Point for Season.
Carino and Dispo with a missed reception at pinabayaan lang ang chance ball na yan. At sayang, it could be a point for Team Season. In a substitution right now, Emperador comes in for the first time. Emperador to Mendoza, denied by Abenido. And good pass there coming from Kawili. Emperador with the right hand. Prado now. And Prado is really aggressive sa ating first set. Kanina pa siya bumubulusok ng puntos dito. And she's really responding to the cause of her team. And a smart move. And nakita niya doon ng butas. And a point for Benitez. And a substitution, double substitution here. Moraug in and Valenzuela in for Team Season. Nice defense there. This ball from the pipe. And she scores. This ball from everywhere. And a substitution here. De Vera now. Papalitan dito si Martin. Sharp serve. And service ace once again mula dito kay Prado. So set point now belongs to San Carlos City. And another good serve over past De Prado to De Vera. Kakapasok lang, rolls. And De Vera ending our first set. And that is our end of our first set. 25-10. Carino. And a scramble here for San Carlos City. Also for Season. Chance ball now. Benitez with a tip. Emperador was ready. Carino with a tip also. Rosario was already there. Pero nasungkit pa ni Martin ang bolang yan. And a service ace for Murag. At parang nagkaroon ng adjustment ang Season with that first set. And another ace coming from Season. An early timeout here for San Carlos City. Last time nung nagsasabihan kami, medyo pagod na kami. Laro ng parang 7th game na yon. Hindi kami nag-commentator. Nagpahinga lang kami. 150 lang lang. Okay lang. Pero same ba kayo ng bigay sa basketball? O mas malaki sa basketball? Back to our live action here. Palace with a good reception. Carino now from the right pin. And she scores. 5 serving 1. Four-point advantage here for Season. And Prado from the opposite side. Usually, ang position nito ni Prado ay middle, but she scores the opposite side. And she's now serving. A mishandling reception there. Prado, the other Prado, the real opposite attacker of San Carlos City, using her power. And another missed reception there. Carino, magbibigay ng chance ball ngayon. Benitez one-hand set to Abenido. Pero penetration there for San Carlos City. Team captain with a good serve and a service ace. At nabaliktad na nga ang sitwasyon dito sa ating second set. Ang problema ng Season earlier is the first pass. And right now, San Carlos City having trouble with their first pass. And speaking of first pass, service ace there for Carino. San Carlos City needs a good pass and a good pass there from Rosario. Martin, 4 touches for Martin. Strong serve once again. And an error for Leslie Rosario. At ngayon, tatawag na ng timeout. Second timeout for San Carlos City. Saan ka nag-college, te? Ay, naglaro ka doon? Anong course mo? Oo. Another ace coming from Carino. Outside na sana yung bolang yan, pero nawakan pa nito ni Abenido. And a service error. Martin now on deck. So that means Jinky Dispo in front. And a smart move coming from Mendoza. Tipping that ball over the blockers. Dispo with the rejection in a shift block. At established na dyan ang dalawang blockers ng Team Season. Emperador and Mendoza was there to deny Chinque Dispo. Benito now to Prado. And there's no working right now for Team San Carlos City. They are having a bad time with the reception. So Mendoza now with a score there. And 15 serving 4, 11-point advantage mula dito sa team ng Season. Nice up there, but there's no follow-up. And nice attack coming from Prado. And then ending that long run for Carino. Bomb set now to Murag. Rosario was there. And a tip coming from Emperador. And a lucky point for Benitez. And a surface error. San Carlos City is piling up an error dito sa ating second set. Emperador now. Sure serve. Despo gagawa ng paraan. Emperador was there. Mendoza and Martin is picking. And Despo with a strong attack. And Kawili is trying to chase that ball. Pero that was too strong for Carino, for Dispo rather. And another error for San Carlos City. And the errors of San Carlos City is really hurting their cause para dito sa second set. Leslie with a short pass. Despo now. Outside. At nahihirapan ng pumatay dito ang San Carlos City because of their problems sa kanilang first ball. This time, better reception and a net infraction for Carino. Tespo, nice serve, almost an ace there, and chance to score here to the middle, Prado. And tatawag ngayon ng timeout ng Team Season. Okay, another third set lang. Awa, mental oras alas 2 lo. Nga po ni Lucky. Okay. A 3-0 run now for San Carlos City. Kawile to Carino outside. No check there. And 4-0 run here. Tespo. And they don't need that kind of error dahil naghahabol sila dito sa ating second set. Muraga with a heavy serve. Prado bibigay ngayon ng chance ball. And no one there to pick it up. The ball and napabayaan na doon. So a point for San Carlos City. Kawile. Carino to the right pin. And a chance once again for Carino. And a tip for Carino saying hindi kayo makuha sa strong attack. Ito, drop ball ko mula dito kay Carino. Again, another problematic first ball coming here from San Carlos City. Carino to the middle once again. Too strong for her. And 6-point advantage here. At nagkatinginan si Carino at Kawili with that second ball. And 5-point advantage here for Team Season. Kawili, Carino, too tight. Nagawa ng paraan. Chance ball now once. Kawili, Carino again with a soft touch. And nice soft touch there. To the opposite, Martin. Delayed by the blockers. And a chance ball once again for Team San Carlos City. Prado with the left hand. And no call there. The ball is still alive. And San Carlos City is complaining about the double contact violation. And Benitez is now talking to our first referee because they have their case at, of course, still referee's decision. Carino too strong. Ball out there. Kawili to Emperador, the lefty. And a scramble there for the team of San Carlos City. And 2 points away to securing the second set for Season and extending this match. Prado again to the opposite side. Kawili bump now to Murag. And Murag ending our second set. Sorry, 1 point away to close our second set. And right now, Emperador papalitan ni Tapang, their service specialist. And of course, she's there to sweep the floor. Nice serve. Another missed reception. Kawili to Murag with a full swing, but Martin is ready. Despo, drop shot there. Dahil bantayado na tong si Dispo sa kanya mga strong attack. And nice variation of attack coming from Dispo. And that could sail out. Pero nakuha pa ni Andales ang bolang yan. And timeout called by Team Season.
Back in the action. Substitution. 6 out. Number 14. Rivera.
De Vera now to serve. And a miss set. Overset there. And a chance ball here for San Carlos City. This ball now in front, but a net touch coming from Mendoza. And a pressure here for Team Season dahil ang kanilang kalamangan ay 4 na lamang. De Vera with a short serve. And service ace for De Vera. And Andales will sub out. Kawili now in the floor. Team Season needs a good pass right now. Pero medyo short yung pasa na yan. So chance ball now. Benitez po porsyentuhan. Si Dispo with the drop. And the standing spike there coming from Murag. Dispo again missed it there. So Mendoza with a tip. No good. 1-2 play. Nice up coming from Carino Murag. And that will end our second set. A long rally ending by Murag. And we're now going to our extension set. Rather extension, third set later on.
Carlos. Ball in 1-0. First point goes to San Carlos. Nice attack by jersey number 5. 1-all. Ball out. 2. Serving 1. To serve number 19 of San Carlos, Benitez. Another point by San Carlos 3, serving 1. Nice attack by jersey number 1, their team captain. 2, serving 3. Ball out. Deadlock, 3-all. Another out. 4, serving 3. Season by 1. Nice drop by San Carlos. Deadlock, 4. Services. 5, serving 4. Ball touched by the libero of season 6, serving 4. Down the line attack by Dispo, jersey number 11. Timeout, Municipality of Season. Score is 4-7. Back to the action. Ball out. 5 serving 7. The serve team captain jersey number 1. Attack hit fouled by San Carlos. 6 serving 7. What a cross attack by jersey number 3. Deadlock 7 all.
All right, so we are here now at our third and final set. Season versus San Carlos City. Deadlock at 7. Emperador will give a free ball. Abinido with a tip. Nice defense showing by Team Season. Abinido hammering that one, but Mendoza was there. Mendoza once again ready, and Mendoza rolling that ball. And Andales now. Tispo adjusting. Emperador is ready. Tispo once again with a rolling shot. Kawil was there. And Antales down the line, no good. Benitez finding
Ball
the
in.
corner.
What a rally.
And another long
8
rally.
serving 7.
Mendoza delayed by the blockers. Martin off the block hit coming from Martin.
With the serve, jersey number 11.
Free ball now for San Carlos. Martin once again
Jersey number 20.
with a statement.
Serving 7.
And a substitution here. De La Rosa comes back. And Andales uupo muna. This ball with a short serve.
11. Serving 7.
And 11 serving 7 now. 4-point advantage here. Tanga ng team San Carlos City. It
Serving
once again is coming from Dispo.
12. Serving 7.
Nagkatinginan doon si Carino at Kawile. Kawile to Imperator with her right hand. And another chance for her. And delayed by the blockers. Martin now blocked by Mendoza. And a 1-2 play. Nice find there coming from Benitez. And they're pulling away. 6-point advantage for them. Kawili to Mendoza. At a scramble there for Team Season. At ngayon tatawag ng timeout ang Team Season.
Timeout, Municipality Season. Score is 7-13.
Back to our live action. You're still watching our Governor Ramon V. Guico III, the Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. This is our last game sa ating women's division with our Sunday schedule. And a nice find there coming from Mendoza. And a short serve. Another ace once again. This time, Abenido is ready. Cross court. Dug. And a net touch coming from Abenido. And 10 serving 13. And the 6-point advantage of Team San Carlos City is cut to 3 now. And another ace for San Carlos City. And a time to regroup for San Carlos City.
Score is 13-11. We're watching the third and final set of Season and City of San Carlos. Back to the action.
And back to the ball game. Score now is serving 10 serve 11 serving 13. Another short serve. And Emperador misses. Sayang. Regalo na sana yan for Emperador. And service ace for Prado there.
15, serving Netherlands.
Another serve. And a misreception there. Benitos to Abenido. Outside, inside. And our first referee will talk to our line judge. Point for season.
Serving 15. Serving error. Committed
An
by
error
Martin.
committed
16
by
serving 12.
Emperador there. Our score now is 16 serving 12. Mendoza from the middle and net touch
Defender San Carlos.
by Abenido.
13 serving 16.
And the team captain now back at the front, Carino. And a service ace right away for Mendoza. At bumabalik ang problema ng Team San Carlos City earlier with their second set. Better reception this time. Martin all alone. And easy picking for Mendoza. Free ball here. Bump now to Martin. Down the line.
17 serving 14.
And a score now is 17 serving 14. Kawile to the team captain. Outside.
Out. 18 serving 14.
And 18 serving 14 now. Another misreception. And miscommunication there.
19 serving
At lumalayo na dito ang Team San Carlos City here in our third set. Bump now to Carino, the team captain.
15 serving 19.
And substitution Kawili now back to the ball game. And Morao now out. Short pass coming from Prado, but a check ball there. At babalik naman agad ngayon si Morao.
Babalik. Net out. 20 serving 18.
And we're here at crucial point. Outside again from the team captain Carino. And let's see kung makakabawi itong si team captain. Overpass! Turns to a point there. Lucky point for Emperador. Rosario wasn't ready. And the coaching staff of team Season telling tiyagain lang daw. But this time a hole there and a point for San Carlos City. Babalik rito si De Vera to serve. Nice serve, Kawile. To Carino, block. And Carino will give a free ball. Prado scores there from the opposite side. And our score now is 23 serving 16. 2 points away to close this match. And the Carino there.
by San Carlos. 17 serving 23.
And this game is not yet over. Nice dig at nakaabang na doon si Prado with that overpass. And match point now for Team San Carlos City. Mendoza adjusting, no good. And chance to score for Team Season. This ball with an up. Prado. Mura was there. And Mendoza with a soft touch.
Last point made by Season.
And
18 serving 24.
one match point save for Team Season. Martin, dug by Carino, nice up. Morao, and nice up from Rosario. Excellent defense here. De La Rosa with a chase. Imperator will give a free ball. Pupunta kay Martin at down the line. Ending our match with a 3 sets win. 25-18.
City of San Carlos.
Total of 16 points. Jersey number 11. Jiki Despo.
Masantos yang araw na imbagang alam kinyayo amin. Good afternoon, volleyball fans. You're still watching Governor Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Intertown Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. And kakatapos lang ng ating exciting match sa ating last game with our women's division. And this time, alamin naman natin ang naging susi sa panalo ng San Carlos City. And let's head over to our player of the game and winning coach for a quick post-game interview. First, of course, first of all, congratulations po, Jinky Dispo, and of course, the assistant coach, Ma'am Chesan. And first, I would like to ask our player of the game, your second set, medyo nag-struggle kayo at nakuha ng season ng second set. Sa tingin nyo, ano yung nawala sa team ng second set at naipanalo ng season yung second set na yon?
For me kasi, nakuhanan kami sa receive tapos sa service nila kaya nahirapan kaming magbigay ng bola ng maayos.
Alright, so nasabi mo na nahirapan kayo with your pass. Sa tingin mo sa mga susunod pang laro nyo, ano kaya sa tingin mo yung i-improve nyo pa sa team para at least makakuha pa kayo ng panalo sa ating elimination round?
Ang ma-improve pa namin ang service receive po.
All right, thank you so much to our player of the game, Jinko Dispo. This time, let's go ahead with our assistant coach, Ma'am Chesan. Ma'am, kahapon talo po kayo against Dagupan City. And of course, it's really tough for San Carlos City. Siyempre, wala po kayong talo kahapon. And natuldukan yan ng Dagupan City. And ngayon, it's a bounce back win for you, for your team. Sa tingin niyo po, Coach, ano kaya po yung naging factor at ano kaya yung naging motivation po ng mga players niyo kung bakit naipanalo nila ang game na to?
Aminin namin is it was a heartbreaking loss nung kahapon talaga. So yung mga bata, sobrang down yan, magmula umaga hanggang pag-uwi, up until nung morning. Siguro yung motivation lang po namin is yung isa't isa. Hindi po, wala pong nagsisihan, basta walang nagsisihan. Kinausap lang namin yung isa't isa na mag-regroup kami, na ayusin lahat, back to basic, kung ano yung training, is yun yung gawin namin ngayong araw na to. So yung motivation namin talaga is yung bawat isa.
Alright, so last question na lang po, Coach. With your win this day, sa tingin niyo po, sino po kaya yung player na nag-step up po?
Actually, yung pinaka nag-step up na player dito is yung wala kahapon. Yung middle blocker po namin na si Charlie Prado. Pero valid naman po kung bakit wala siya kahapon kasi capping and pinning po nila sa PSU Bayambang. Mas importante yon, so kailangan namin i-let go yung bata and then gumawa ng backup plan kung paano po kami, kung paano po yung magiging play ng mga bata doon sa Dagupan. Siguro mas naging eager lang talaga yung Dagupan na manalo that day. Pero ang nag-step up talaga ngayon si Charlie, syempre. Kasi si Jiki naman, alam naman natin kung gaano siya ka-mature at kagaling sa laro.
Alright, thank you so much. So there you have it, our player of the game. Of course, we're the assistant coach. Pero bago namin kayo pakawalan with our interview, syempre, we will give you this opportunity para syempre pasalamatan, i-shout out of course ang inyong LGUs, ang inyong supporters, at ang inyong family. So mag-start po tayo kay Jinky.
Shoutout po sa family ko and sa supporters ng San Carlos, sa LGU, sa mayor and sa vice namin, and sa boyfriend ko si Cairo.
Thank you so much. And of course, our assistant coach, Ma'am Chesan, come on.
Syempre po, a very thank you po sa aming Honorable Mayor na si Julier Ayer Resuello at sa aming Vice Mayor na si Honorable Jose Resuello. To all our LGU officials, LGU staff, to the Secretary of the Mayor na nagpunta po dito para manood, si Sir Juliano Nadriano Resuello. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. Sa mga supporters ng San Carlos na walang sawang sumusuport sa amin, maraming salamat. Babawi at babawi kami sa mga susunod na game po namin. Tsaka sa boyfriend ko na laging nakasupport sa San Carlos. Kahit na may iba po siyang team, maraming salamat sa'yo. Good luck mamaya, Team Bayambang.
Alright, so medyo kinilig ang ating mga fans dito sa venue. Alright, so there you have it. Our player of the game, Jinka Dispo, with 12 attack, 4 aces, and a total of 16 points. And together, of course, with their assistant coach, Mama Chesan. Thank you so much. And there you have it, our last match sa ating women's division. And later on, magbabakbakan naman, tutungo na tayo sa ating men's division. Our first match, Team Lawak facing San Fabian. Kaya naman, tumutok lang po kayo sa ating live coverage. This is your live commentator, Nash Austria. Basta Pangasinan, ang galing.